Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and we're giving you a walkthrough that's super quick, but it's fun. And this is of the bent tree lofts in Dallas, Texas, the beautiful bent tree lofts in Dallas, Texas. Hey, these are gorgeous. I love the look and feel here. You can see just the beautiful kitchen that's here, this white cabinets, so gorgeous. And you can see they has this cute island too. This is adorable little island. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's describe the kitchen a little bit just so you can see it. Really nice backsplash. So many cabinets, and then these stainless steel appliances are great. There's the front door. We just came through that, so that's all cool and good. And then now, hey, let's go and take a peek over here. So this is the living room area. There's a lot of space here. This is about 733 square feet. Look at all the windows. I love all the windows that are here. This is delightful and gorgeous. Wow. This is a great feeling space. It feels super large. They've done a lot of good stuff with the space. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom over here. Same thing, great amount of windows. Sure love that. And then here is the bathroom. The bathroom is adorable too. It's got a lot of more of those white cabinets. It's got a great mirror that's here, beautiful granite countertops. Man, it's just gorgeous. Huge walk-in closet too, and there's the shower. It's really nice. So this is a quick walkthrough of the bent tree lofts. We're going to do a little bit more detailed walkthrough right now, but this is just so you can see it. So next step for you is to watch the detailed walkthrough. I'm about to do those. And we'll go see everything in much more detail. But also, if you're just ready to tour and you like what you see already, and man, it's nice. Let me tell you, if you like it and you're ready to tour, send me a text right now. My number's below. I'll be the fastest one to set up that tour for you and get you going so you can see this in person, or we can do a virtual tour as well. So ready to help you with that, and we can chat when you're ready. Now let's go ahead and see more of this detailed walkthrough. I can't wait for you to see it.